Lego Ship Cruise. It's summer, and I've got the perfect holiday idea for minifigs. How about a cruise on a Lego ship? It's been a long year so far with our minifigs working round the clock. Now it's time to take a break. This cruise ship is going to be a massive one. Over 100 minifigs will be going on this trip. Now let's build to give our minifig their dream holiday experience. This ship will be multi-layered with different rooms, dining places. What's a holiday without some fine dining? I will be creating mini club where our passengers will salsa away the stress of the year. I'm starting with the first layer of the ship. Aren't we forgetting something? This is a Lego cruise ship and we need some Lego bricks. Lightning off to go get some boxes of Lego. Got 4 boxes, I might need more later. But let me start with this. First, I'll craft my base. It needs to be light but also strong, to carry the weight of 3 tiers. Look at those angry faces, everyone wants to have a good rest. So, let's prepare their rooms. We have 3 different categories of room. The silver, gold, and platinum. The silver rooms are 2. Bunked bedroom with a decent bathroom and toilet. The bathroom is big enough to squeeze our minifigs. Freedom is not totally guaranteed in this bathroom. The next room type is the gold. This one is for those who call themselves the upper class. They've got travel insurance and benefits. The room has a king-sized bed each occupant can roll provided they're not all that heavy. The bathroom's spacious. And of a bonus is that it has a spacious wardrobe. They also have the luxury of a telephone for emergencies, like when they roll off the bed. And the final type of room is for the Ella Creme of the society. Unfortunately, we don't have so many of them, just 4. It's a suite with everything. There's a king-size bed. It has its special resting room with comfy chairs. There's a mini bar where our minifigs can quickly pour themselves some expensive wine, double-W. While they pace around to discuss an important project. What's luxury without a patio where you can get the best view of the ocean? Now I can wish our beloved passengers a good night rest. On to the next, we want our passengers to wake up to a bustling. In the morning, 4 minifigs will need food when they wake up. So I'll quickly set up a fine dining restaurant where they can have a buffet. Next is the fitness center, where esteemed passengers can burn their calories. Talk about making intentional efforts for our passengers. Our next space is a travel store. One of our minifigs left their bag at home. Don't ask me how it happened. Now, they'll need to get new supplies. This travel store has everything our passengers need for their personal use. What's a luxury cruise ship without a casino? This casino is not for everyone. I'll putting in a secret compartment where only the wealthy ones can have access. These are my slot machines and the poker tables. For the slot machines, I'm using small bricks and printed tiles for the screens. Our roulette and blackjack tables are also set. Our casino cannot be complete without these sets of chandeliers. I'm using these transparent bricks and lighting fixtures. I couldn't get some Da Vinci paintings, so I will make 2 with this minifig's frame. And that's our Mona Lisa painting. Our cruise ship is all-inclusive, so the kids are not left out. Don't be started when you see them running down the hallway. Next, I'll build a playground for them. I decided to select the most spacious slot. They definitely need that room to slide and glide. Who knows, there might be some collision. I'm using these curved bricks to create a slide structure. Remember, I told you that they'll need to slide and glide. Next step is building a raised platform with steps. I'll be adding some railings, but that's not a guarantee that the kids won't fall off. Our playground is incomplete without swings and seesaw. For these, I'll use long, thin bricks for the swings frame and attach small seats with chains. For my seesaw, I'll use a long, flat brick as the base, and finally starch seats on one of those ends. Okay, our playground is ready. Now, let's have our kiddos play. This looks quite basic. I'll add some flower pots and use some sticks. I think we're done with this playground. We'll definitely be expecting some casualties with our playground, so I set up clinic. Our doctors are ready to give a quick fix to a broken arm. Let's take a break from the gory scenes. We need some desert. I'll build an ice cream store around the corner where everyone can get a scoop or more. Look at that topping. Just by the right to our ice cream store is Pizza Hut. Don't ask me how I brought them on board. And the next shop is our favorite Starbucks where minifigs can have different drinks. Now, I'm ready to build a relaxation center for our passengers to relax after the day's activities. In this center, there is a spa where a masseuse can gently massage you. If you prefer a rough massage, it's also available. Iron Man is here to serve you. To set our spa up, I used some transparent bricks to create classy effect for the walls. Then, I'll make a tiny entrance for our minifigs to come through. I'm using flat tiles to build my massage table, and these accessories will come in handy as towels. We don't serve wine in this spa. To get the ultimate relaxation, I'll add a hot tub. These blue and white bricks will be the base, and I'll surround it with smooth tiles. Our minifig is ready for hot bath. How can I forget the sauna? I'm using brown bricks for the walls and a small heater. Most of our passengers love to show off, so I brought in some luxury brands. They can easily get their designer outfits and make it more glamorous. I also created a space where I have the logo of each brand. This is the coolest cruise ship. It's possible someone skipped anger management class, so I built this detention room for offenders. It's quite comfy. You have the convenience close to you. Our second layer is finally done onto the last part of the ship. The first thing I'm building here is the theater, where our minifigs can watch some real-time drama. Here's our first Play Macbeth. I'll also add a clubhouse to the third floor. We'll pop some bottles to the sky. This clubhouse is strategically placed at the rear of the ship. This is so that we can bring our celebrities to perform. These little boats are for rescue. Things can get a little heated, and jumping off the ship might come to mind. Our rescue boats are there to save. Anyone caught will be taken to the detention room. There's definitely not going to be a cruise ship without a sailor. So, here comes our honorable Captain Cruise. He's ready to take us through the journey. Everyone get on board. I'm not promising a smooth ride. Final check. Let's see if our ship can cruise on the water. That's a pretty good sail. All right. Bon voyage to all passengers. Where do you think our cruise ship is headed? Share your thought in the comment box below. Like, share, and subscribe for more LEGO content. Watch out for more magical creation with LEGO.